Well, good morning folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a bit of an exclusive for you. Well, today I'm in Fleetwood and I'm making my way up to the old radar observation tower. The old radar station in Fleetwood, which was built in 1961, and I've actually got an opportunity to actually go inside the place. It's actually just been sold. The guide price on it was £50,000, but it actually went for nearly double that at 97,000. And I've just been speaking to the owner, and he's actually going to let me have a look inside. So this will be quite a short video. He says, you know, I can have a look around as long as I'm quick, because he's about to lock up and leave. Anyway, let's go look inside, folks. Exclusive. See you in there. Well, first, this is a scoop, folks. How cool is that? Wow. I don't quite know what's in here. There we go, folks. This is an exclusive for you. How about this? Wow. Absolutely fantastic. Just spoken to the owner, who's spent quite a lot of money on it. He's actually going to renovate it. Whether he's going to open it to the public or not, I shall ask him in a minute or two. So look at the views from this observation. Actually, it used to be a naval observation tower at one point. Look at the views out to the Irish Sea. So unfortunately I've got to be quick, because he's going to be locking up. But it's fantastic for him to let me in here and have a look around. I expect this door's locked, isn't it? Yeah. There you go, folks. Inside the radar tower. Observation. Quick go in now, I can't. I won't go in because you said the floorboards are a bit dodgy in here. But anyway, this is another room. Absolutely incredible. Well, how cool is that? Anyway, I better go. Onwards. Well, folks, how about that for the exclusive? Did you enjoy that? Yeah, that old radar observation radar post. Grade 2 listed building. Exclusive look round there, folks. Now, I did ask the owner how much he paid for it, but he wouldn't say. But I just looked on the internet, and it went for £97,000 at auction, which was the guide price was around 50,000. So that's almost doubled its price. £97,000. Wow. The owner was telling me that he's going to have it done up to its former glory. I asked him whether he's going to rent it out, or was it going to be for the public. He said no, not for public. So it was going to be Airbnb or something like that. He said, well, he hasn't decided yet anyway. So we shall see. Well, folks, as I said, that's short and sweet. The owner wanted to get on and lock up. He was good enough to let me go inside it. Anyway, there's an exclusive for you inside there. Sometimes it's being in the right place at the right time. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there, folks. Short and sweet on this video. Yeah, so please like, subscribe. You get more cool stuff like this. And I'll be filming the Showtown next week, so I've got tickets next week to see that. So I'll bring you some of the inside of the new Showtown, which opens today, the 15th of March. Yeah, so hit the notification bell, like, subscribe, and all the rest of all that stuff. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers, thanks you, bye bye. There's a different view of it, folks, from the other side. There's a view from the front of it. Sorry about the wind noise. Can't believe I've actually been inside it. Fantastic. That's well cool. You can hear the waves of the surf crashing behind me. I think the tide's in. There we go. One last look at the observation tower, radar tower. All the technology on top there, folks. Look, there we go.